Good day everyone, my name is Nicole Mark Joseph C. Villanueva, and with my group Chris Ayan Palgan and Kim Labletare, I will present to you our topic about lubricants. We will start with classification of lubrication. Any substance introduced between the two moving and sliding surface with a view to reduce frictional resistance to know as lubricant. We have three types of lubrication. Number 1, we have thin film or boundary lubrication. In this type of lubrication, a thin film lubricant is absorbed on the surface and held by van der Waals forces. When the lubricant is not viscous enough to generate a film sufficient thickness for the separation of surface under heavy loads, friction is reduced by thin film lubrication. Thin film lubrication is applied when the speed is very low. The loading heavy, the oil has low viscosity. Examples: lubrication of journal bearing in diesel engine, mainly during standing and stopping of engine. Our second lubrication is fluid film or hydrodynamic lubrication. This type of lubrication is also known as a thick film lubrication. It is carried out with the help of liquid lubricants. In fluid film lubrication, the two sliding surfaces are separated by a thick film of about 1000 ampere which is applied to prevent direct surface or surface contact. Wearing and tearing of metals is minimized. Example, is useful in delicate and light machine, watches, clocks, guns. Extreme pressure lubrication. It is involved chemical action on the part of lubricant under heavy load and high speed of condition. High local temperature is generated. The liquid film may not stick. It may decompose and vaporize. Example, molybdenum disulfide, graphite, sulfuride, olefins.
Properties of lubricants. Cloud points and pour points. Cloud points, the temperature at which the impurities being to separate from the solution and lubricating oil becomes cloudy or hazy in appearance is called cloud points. Pour points, the temperature at which the oil ceases to flow and pour is called pour point. Flash point, the flash point of a volatile material is the lowest temperature at which vapors of the material will ignite given an ignition source. Fire point, the fire point of the fuel is the lowest temperature at which the vapor of that fuel will continue to burn for at least 5 seconds after ignition by an open flame. Viscosity. Viscosity is the property of a fluid that determines its resistance to flow. It is an indicator to flow ability of lubricating oil. The lower viscosity, greater the flow ability. If temperature increases, viscosity of the lubricating oil increases, and pressure increases, viscosity of lubricating oil increases. Viscosity index. The rate at which the viscosity of oil changes with temperature is measured by an empirical number known as viscosity index. A relatively small changes in viscosity with temperature is indicated by high viscosity index, whereas a low viscosity index shows a relatively large changes and viscosity with temperature. Refractories. Refractories are the inorganic materials which can withstand very high temperature without softening or suffering deformation. Therefore, they are used for the construction of kilns, ovens, cubicle, furnaces, and etc.
Characteristic of refractories. Number 1, high temperature resistance under working conditions. Number 2, good abrasions resistant by dusty gases and melt on metals. Number 3, low ability to contain heat. Number 4, high mechanical strength. Number 5, thermal strength to withstand thermal shocks due to rapid and repeated temperature fluctuations. Applications of refractories. Refractories are broadly classified into 3 categories on the basis of their chemical nature. Number 1, acidic refractory. They are made from acidic materials such as aluminum, and silica. They are resistant to acid slugs but attacked by basic materials. Example, silica and alumina. Number 2. Basic refractories. Basic refractories are those which consist of basic materials but attacked by acidic materials. They find extensive use in steel making, open heart furnaces. Example, dolomite. Number 3. Neutral refractories. They are not completely neutral in chemical sense. They consist of weakly basic acidic materials like carbon, zirconia, chromites, graphite. Example, alumina refractories.